by himself. Any people that is sending, they will kill.
Why you recording? Why you recording?
Hey, relax, relax. Relax. You go keep pressing.
Now, Sidra.
I will die. Wow.
Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu from Edo State, Oredo local government. Why I call on the media today is to show the world the document I have over my property. They're intending to destroy. Well, I feel standing when I'm explaining. Can I get this document, please? This is the deed of transfer. I bought my land with the community. This is the deed of transfer. Can you please bring it down? This is my deed of transfer. This is the land that this how I will do the transaction. This is the community Oba approval. Nice. They are not talking about my house. I don't want to talk about my house because I have fear of food. My house is here, my hotel is at the back. My brothers and sisters, if you can look at this paper here, can you please read ITV? This is Iviore Primary School at Ubo Village area. You can see Edo State, Oredo local government area, Benin City. Oredo. Now, brothers and sisters, as you can see, this is the road, Ubo Amagba Road. Can you come through that ITV? This is Ubo Amagba Road. This is Ubo, the one going to Amagba straight down. Why this is the street to my hotel, Akin Oladiyi Street. Now, these are communities. This is government land with this red map. This is primary school. This is health center. This is skill acquisition. Their compound is fence round. All these places are communities. People build houses here. People build houses around. Not only me. Now government have their satisfied. This is their land. This is where my house is. This road is going down straight. It went to go and end up in Ugiokwen. So my hotel is here. My neighbor, one man that have not completed his own, is here. Then from there you see a pastor. Pastor is here. Then after the pastor, you see a retired commissioner of police. Then after the retired commissioner of police, etc. like that. Down to Ugiokwen. This is government land. I did not build my property here. And that no will rescue my property. So my lawyer filed for injunction. Then I surprised somebody have already filed injunction. I did not send that person. They use it to stop my own injunction. So that they will say you have filed before. I've never filed injunction. The only lawyer I gave my injunction to is the lawyer that stays in Airport Road. Barrister Uwagwe. Whether Uwagwe or Uwagwe. Yeah, that is the lawyer I met. Because he called me on phone and said, "Where are you, sir?" So I went to meet the lawyer. So I was surprised my lawyer took my document to the court. They said I've already filed. I didn't file with anybody. Then I'm going to swear counter affidavit on that. So I want to show the world. This is the map of Ugbo Primary School. If you recall, demarcated rands, and you can see Ugbo Amagba Road. I did not encroach on government land. They didn't even know I have this map. They didn't even know I have this document between the local government and the community. You understand? This is from the state government. Why this is from the community? Signed by Commissioner of Lands. Yeah. You see, I want to tell the world, I'm not an enemy of the state. If I go anger and I was using insultive words, please, I apologize, don't mind me. It's because all my life is what I invested here. And I cannot go and invest my property on government land when I know the threats all past government have been giving to my own senior brother Bobiswa. I don't know if you understand, because of his property in Ring Road. Anytime they want to get him to their side, they will threaten him by destroying his property. So by this, I learned from that mistake. So I didn't make that mistake. That is why for me to check if this area is really for government and I'm CFO on my own house. If I didn't have money to do CFO on my hotel, does not guarantee that I'm not the owner of my property. So I'm telling the world, please, the people that is giving wrong impression, Kabaka did not build. This is Ibiore, it's so here, it's obvious. And I built my hotel outside this very compound. We shared the same in Chagasha's family's house. I don't know why. This is rural area. We are not talking of Ring Road though. And we don't have erosion here. The erosion we have here is down Amaba. There's never erosion control here. All we have here is gutter. And I tied my road. When I came into this area, I used my money. We have the office. I did not hold government. I was not a stakeholder government in office. I was a revenue collector. They normally call us Agberu. And this is not a mobile. And I have a lot of lands that were being given to me by Obaere Diawa that was given to me as a dash. I was having a land, I remember his name. Yeah, as a gift from engineer, he's late now. Engineer, I will remember. So I was having a land here in Ulugbo, given to me then by the community. That was the 2007. So I'm not I'll be there. Having money, seeing money before this government came on board. And if you look at this property dated, it's not now. So I want to beg my excellency, if I offended you in any which way, I thought we were playing politics. You know, there's nobody that you say you want to destroy his house that will be happy. That was why the anger came out of me. There's nobody I couldn't condole it. So I apologize to you for you to forgive and forget. I promise, and I tell the world, I did build my house in government land. If we are playing politics, and this, allow me to play my politics, and I will allow you to be. Please, because while we were crying, we thought we worked together before. All the promises you gave to us. The property that is close to me here, that I have boundary with, is Oredo local government. So please, we should not use
displaying different documents to back his claim that his hotel located in Ugbo community, GRA Benin City, was legally acquired. Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun, who is the managing director of T. Latifa Hotel and Suites, said the parcel of land owned by Edo State government, where the Ibiore Primary School is located, is clearly mapped out and has been in existence for decades before he purchased his parcel of land in year 2011 for the construction of his hotel. Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu wondered why the state government is now laying claims to the property.
This is Ugbo Amagba Road. These are communities. This is government land with this red map. This is primary school. This is health center. This is skill acquisition. Their compound is first round. People build houses here. People build houses around. Not only me. Now government have their satisfied. This is their land. My hotel is here. My neighbor, one man that have not completed his own, is here. Then from there you see a pastor. Pastor is here. Then after the pastor you see a retired commissioner of police. Then after the retired commissioner of police, etc. like that. Down to Gyokwe. This is government land. I did not build my property here.
Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun, while calling on kind-hearted Nigerians to help appeal to the state government to halt its planned demolition of his hotel, frowned at the move by some unknown persons who allegedly filed a court injunction on his behalf without his consent, adding that such move is an attempt by the perpetrators to stall the move by his legal team to approach the court on his behalf.
I surprised somebody have already filed injunction. I did not send that person. They use it to stop my own injunction so that they will say you have filed before. I've never filed injunction. I want to beg my excellency, if I offended you in any which way, I thought we were playing politics. You know, there's nobody that you say you want to destroy his house that will be happy. That was why the anger came out of me. There's nobody I couldn't condole it. So I apologize to you for you to forgive and forget. I promise, and I tell the world, I didn't build my house in government land. If we are playing politics, let's play it the way we're supposed to play it. You don't force anybody against their way.
The special advisor to Edo State Governor on Media and Communications Strategy, Crusoe Saige, in a recent interview said the property of Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun is not the target for demolition by the state government, but as part of efforts by the government to tackle the problem of flood in Ugbo area, Benin City.
The government has repeatedly made announcements with respect to people who have built their properties on either government land or school. So I don't believe that anybody is being targeted as far as this exercise is concerned.
Best Mbiere reporting.
This is PFM TV. Please subscribe on the